Captivate to the mind state, can feel my heart start to race. Seeking a life full of love, but the world ain't good enough to stay. Taking my own kind of break.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Felicia, for those who do not know me. Today I'll be doing a Janelle Monae inspired style from her video I Like That. And I really liked that style that she did in that video. Really liked the hair. I was feeling the vibe, so I decided to go ahead and do a makeup and hair inspired tutorial. You know, a little celebrity cosplay, if you will. And basically, it's a very basic, easy style. You just split your hair into 3 equal separate parts. 1 ponytail at the top, 2 off to the side. So splitting my hair down the middle and the back. As you can see, I'm struggling with my parts, but it's alright. Alright, next, you are about to witness why Eco Styler Gel is now canceled in my book. Originally, while making this video, Eco Styler was not canceled, as you can see, because I picked it up. Okay, I picked it up and decided to use it. But here, I'm just gonna go in and use it, but it caused like some white flakes to decide to present themselves in my hair, so it kind of messed up my perfectly washed hair. I'm assuming it's because for whatever reason Eco Styler clashes with certain products or certain anything that has something to do with the chemicals inside of them. But you can notice that little nasty popping up, so we're gonna go with a different gel, which is that Murray's Edge Wax that you're gonna see next.
Mistakes were made, it's honestly countless, but I'm still living out shouting. Come ride with me, come fly with me. Open eye can see all that we could be. Come ride with me, come fly with me. Open eye can see all that we could be. Come ride with me. Come fly with me, come fly with me. Open eye can see all that we could be. Come ride with me, come fly with me. Yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah. I know you've been just fine since we talked it out, since we talked it out, since we talked it out. What we talking about? I know you've been just fine since we talked it out, since we talked it out. What we talking about? What we talking about? Yeah. I hear you late at night. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Praying every time that you make it out. 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 I know you've been just fine since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. What we talking about? Yeah. I know you've been just fine since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. What we talking about? What we talking about? Yeah. I hear you late at night. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Praying every time that you make it out. 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 Yeah. Yeah, baby, I know that you love this. Tongue hanging out, hips swaying in the wind. Used to be a player that was way back then. Here to make the wrong right.
Okay. Alright. So this is gonna be me talking to y'all right now in this video, because at this point this is turning into almost tragedy. But you know what? Because I love y'all so much, I will get this done. I will do it. I will succeed. I will. I believe. I believe. We're not gonna do that. So basically what's happening to me right now is that this hair is like super thin, super flimsy, super nappy, super tangly, super not everything that it needs to be right now. And I'm just like, what is my life? My life ain't shit. Girl. So basically what I had to do was I just went ahead and I split the hair in half. And turned it into another piece, basically, to turn into another pigtail that I'm gonna put over here. I'm just like, what is my life? I tried blending the other hair in, but it's like, even though it's made by like the same company, it's still like two different textures of hair. No, and no. And it's like, y'all, if y'all could see my house in the behind the scenes right now, I got hair from my bedroom into my bathroom. And like little clippy pieces of hair. This makes no sense. Alright, so we're starting this braid here. So this one's gonna end up being a lot thinner than the first one, because I ran out of hair. But you know what? I'm just like, I can do this, girl. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't stop believing. Don't give up on your dreams. So we're gonna keep up the good fight, guys, and we're gonna keep doing this, you know? Make Janelle Monae proud. I feel like I'm back on the road after a flat tire. That's what this feels like. This feels like, oh great, we changed the tire, we can go now, yay. Like, I feel like you know that breath of fresh air that you get when you finally change the tire? That's what I have right now. It's like, I changed the fucking tire, and now I can go like the wind bullseye. Now it's alright. So when we get down to this like colored part down here, like this is when it becomes like extra AF. Thank you, Laura Lee, for that terminology. You know, we're not cussing on YouTube. But yeah, it becomes extra AF here, where I am struggling. Shouts out to Laura Lee for, you know, the makeup tips that I got from her page. You know, if y'all ain't familiar with Laura Lee, I am like now in love with her. She has a new fan, a new YouTube fan, a new YouTube subscriber. Okay, by the way, you guys subscribe to my channel too, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to her, but you can subscribe to me too. But like, girl, this face is beat for the guys, okay? Shouts out to Laura Lee. Yes, Laura Lee, Los Angeles girl. Yes, y'all get y'all some. Anyway, let me keep going here. But no, for real, like, shouts out to all of the OG YouTubers right now. Because I'm a newbie. I ain't like no YouTube pro. As y'all can see, I just had like a mental breakdown that y'all didn't see. So that was like an oxymoron if I ever heard one. But you guys did not see my mental hair breakdown a few minutes ago. Like, it was bad. It was tears, there was blood, it was sweat everywhere. It was nasty. And this braid is going south real quick with the geese. So let's start back at that point. But shouts out to all of the OGs. Before I actually did this style, I did go researching on YouTube, you know, just to scope out what's going on out there in regards to this hairstyle. Because I know, y'all know, that Janelle Monae just dropped this album. She dropped that video. The hairstyle was cute, unique, and bomb. And you know, so I just wanted to, you know, scope out the tube to see, you know, who else may be doing a similar style or a similar tutorial such as this one here. And stumbled upon China Renee. And let me just say, that was like my first time stumbling across her. Not familiar with her videos at all. Never like knew of her before this hairstyle. No shade at all. But I watched her video, and she was, you know, saying a few things about what was disturbing her recently on YouTube in regards to this hairstyle in particular. And she did the hairstyle because, of course, she said she thought it was cute. So I wasn't sure if she was trying to post a tutorial or what, but she said she was just doing it because she thought it was cute. But, you know, she feels as if she did this style first, or it was hers, or she coined it and everybody else just followed her lead and copied it. And I'm here to say this: I am in no way, shape, or form copying China Renee. I actually saw the video, adored the hairstyle. The ponytails are something that I do myself. Again, never heard of China Renee. And not copying her at all. And I definitely want to give her her props right now on this video for being one of the first. For being one of the first people to actually post this tutorial that I'm doing right now. This video with these 3 pigtails that Janelle Monae did in her video. I like that. So, China Renee, girl, you did good, girl. I like that. I like that. I don't really give a fuck, you're the only one. I'm almost done, y'all. I was just like talking and rambling while I was putting this together. Meanwhile, I think my camera screen is upside down. I'll probably address that during editing. I'm probably filming a video upside down.
Praying every time that you make it out, that you make it out, that you make it out, that you make it out. Yeah. Yeah, baby, I know that you love this. Tongue hanging out, hips swaying in the wind. Used to be a player that was way back then. Here to make the wrongs right, declaring us the wins. You've been showing off, yeah, I get it, baby, get it. When we reach out to the top, straight running to the finish. Found me go until I drop. Respect my name, you better. I'll put us on the map before losing pressure. Yeah. Captivate to the mind state. Can feel my heart start to race. Seeking a life full of love, but the world ain't good enough to stay. Taking my own kind of break. Relax to the vibe. It's the kind of shit make a brother wanna shake. Been gone for a while, took a vacay. Came back to Mayday on a payday. Yo, waking up to a melee. Taking shots in the back of a drunk Olay. Standing up forever, man, it feels like forever. People change emotion like 804 weather. Being caught up with the sickness. Only thing on the wish list that we live by the mission. Man, we gifted. Don't let them steal your position. Drops coming in, make your mind be lifted. I know you've been just fine since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. What we talking about? I know you've been just fine since we talked it out. Since we talked it out. What we talking about? What we talking about? Yeah. I hear you late at night. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Don't scream and shout. Praying every time that you make it out. 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 Yeah. Lost faith when I lost you. Got so out of touch, yeah, my vision stayed glued. The seal came loose with time as the truth, so I spit roots. Win-win, enter in the booth. My body got heavy, yet I still went. Hitting just hosted up, but I didn't give in. Living to escape the rat race. Still trying to seek my place while you lost your way. Evoking false emotions, preserving what was and could have been. Waking up to another